Hi, welcome to Data Science Thursdays with Insaid. This Thursday, we're going to learn how to create our first machine learning model in just 60 minutes. Now, as usual, just to ensure that our sessions are pretty much hands-on and very practical, what we are going to do is we're going to take you through a case study where we are going to understand how do you predict the quality of a wine even without tasting the wine. This case study will open up you to the world of machine learning, which proves that without even tasting the wine, we can actually predict the quality of the wine by using machine learning. So let me quickly run through the agenda. This agenda is going to be pretty simple, straightforward. What we're going to do is first we're going to understand what is machine learning in a layman's terms. This is meant for people who have no idea about machine learning. So we'll walk you through in the most simplest form as to what is machine learning. Then I'll show you what are the three types of machine learning that usually we learn in the space of machine learning. Then I'll quickly make you guys understand what is an algorithm and how does it help us create a model. So our first algorithm that we're going to deal with is linear regression. And then we're going to move into once you create the model, how do you know if it is good or bad? How do you know your machine is performing properly? So we have model evaluation. So I'll be covering that. And finally, we'll get into the case study to understand how is it applied practically. So to make the most out of Data Science Thursdays with Insaid, what I would recommend you is watch this video on what is machine learning, which is a very simple intro to what is machine learning. And this will give you a flair as to what machine learning is all about and how is it used. The next one is download the Python notebook and datasets. Both the video and the Python notebook and the datasets will be sharing you in your email as link. Make sure you go through the link and you download these notebooks and datasets and watch the video definitely. And the third one is please ensure you block this event on your calendar. This will ensure that you get a timely reminder and you do not miss out the wonderful sessions that we organize at Insaid. So see you there this coming Thursday. Thank you.